Happy wedding anniversary ako dito. Ito, happy wedding anniversary. Toto, happy wedding anniversary ako dito and happy wedding
Happy anniversary, Tatay.
Happy wedding anniversary, Uncle Toto and Auntie Cecil. Yung
Ate Cecil, Kuya Toto, happy 28th anniversary sa inyong dua. Stay strong and good health always. I love you.
Pagkakot Cecil, happy din po sa mga taas pa nga ito.
ng Japan. Nagaganap yan dito sa Pilipinas sa July 8 at
Pala daw.
Happy anniversary, Ate Cecil of Toto. More years to come. And padayon sa pagkamahal ng Dominikanan sa inyong mga kaanak. And mga gwapang anak.
Ganito. Right, this is your dad's happy 28th wedding anniversary. Liza, happy. Ikaw, James. Happy 28th
Happy 28th wedding anniversary.
Liza, happy
Happy
28th wedding
Sige.
anniversary. Ate Cecil, Tito To. Oh. Lang.
It's you. Say, happy wedding 28th wedding anniversary.
Happy 28th wedding anniversary. Hi! Mabuhay!
28th anniversary, this is Ella ko totoo.
Happy anniversary, Toto. Stay strong.
Happy 28th anniversary, Cecil. Ito. God bless.
Happy
No
anniversary today.
A pleasant day to everyone who is watching this video. I am Kizaya May Endorphin, the eldest pamangkin of Auntie Cecil. So, happy wedding anniversary to the both of you, Auntie Cecil and Uncle Toto. Personally speaking, I really adore your relationship because throughout the years, you've been helping and supporting one another. Especially in times na daghan kayo mo problema, katong nag-abroad sa ante, katong nag-eskwela pa, sila ati tata, sila ati baday. I know that you've been supporting each other, not just financially, but of course, emotionally and mentally. And I think that is one of the most important thing na buhaton as partners. And again, I adore you for that. And I hope magdugay pa mo, continue helping, not just your children or sa inyong sarili, but of course, thank you for helping your mga kapatid, mga igsuon, even though I know that it is not your responsibility anymore. And I think mo na siya ang isa sa reason nga nung nag-click mo duha ni Ante o ni Uncle kay kasabot mo sa inyong mga responsibilities or sa inyong mga obligations sa inyong kanya-kanya na family. So again, happy wedding anniversary. Bye! Happy anniversary,
Oh, happy anniversary,
Ante Cecil
Auntie Cecil
and Uncle Toto.
and Uncle Toto.
Again, happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary.
Happy
Happy
anniversary.
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 Auntie Cecil,
Auntie Cecil,
and Uncle Tuto.
and Uncle Tuto.
Again, happy anniversary, Auntie Cecil.
Hi Mahal pa, happy 28th anniversary. Stay strong lang bro.
Hi Ma, hi Pa. Happy 28th wedding anniversary. Stay strong lang mundo ha.
Happy wedding anniversary, Ma, upa. Bless kayo mo kay maamot mo pila ka tuig sa panapunan. Unta, tagaan pa mo tuig sa Ginoo. Kung daghan pa. Kung unta, tagaan na mo apo. Yan po nato na thank you po kaayo sa inyong duha kay kung unsa man po ko karon unsa ko mga naabot tugod po ni sa inyong duha ni Mama o Papa. Thank you po kay sobrang niyo ka-supportive sa mong duha ni Ken. Wala ko maingon pag-abot sa mong duha ng relasyon. Ipadayon lang inyong kamaayo na wala din si Ken kay kalintura. So, ako lang sa. Bye. I love you both.